Did you know that 66 million tons of eggs are consumed worldwide every year? That's a staggering 34,880 eggs every second. October 14th, it's World Egg Day, a truly special day for Domino and for many people around the globe. Domino would like to thank all egg farmers and grading companies around the world. Thank you for making it possible through your daily work for us to cook and enjoy eggs in countless variations. Just as diverse as the different ways of cooking eggs are the skills of Domino's global egg community members. Our egg sector experts help manufacturers to implement individual coding and marking solutions for the daily business. Domino wishes everyone out there a happy World Egg Day. Please contact us with your egg coding questions. We look forward to speaking with you.